Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you another reason you want to choose a professional installer and not just someone who does DIY. So we have in this case a customer who had a LED light replaced in his vehicle, and the installers or DIY didn't have the right parts. So instead of ordering the right parts and taking the job for another day, they decided to kind of work it around. Now in this case, the LED, the original light has a bracket that allows the bulb to sit in place and not fall. But what the installers did in here, they put some foam to push the light. By doing so, you can actually see from the heat this foam melted, which is easily can catch fire, and this is plastic, so this can easily create a very bad situation just to save a few dollars. And the bulb doesn't even sit in place. The bulb just lay there, doesn't even sit properly. Again, it's what you get when you find the lowest cost available. For more information, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Thank you and have a good day.